Good morning, you guys. Today I'm going to be venturing to the Goodwill Outlet, and while I know many of my subscribers already probably know what that is, for anyone new here, the Goodwill Outlet is where Goodwill will send all of its clothes that don't sell, and they even just send stuff that's donated because their stores get so overwhelmed. I did a video recently on why resellers are bad people, not really, and I talked a lot about what happens to a lot of the clothing donations that go to these thrift stores. Many of them never get sold, so they end up in landfills or the Goodwill Outlet. I feel like the group that frequents the Goodwill Outlet is like made of really tough stuff. They're amazing. I don't know that I can compete, but I'm gonna see if I can find at least a few good things. In keeping with my thrift challenge, you guys, I've decided to change it up. If I find one of these 5 brands at the Goodwill Outlet today, I will reward myself with Chick-fil-A. We're just gonna cut to the chase. If I find Patagonia, North Face, something that sells on the RealReal, so a luxury item, cool, or Free People. If I find even one of those, I'm going to reward myself with that Chick-fil-A. I don't know, you guys, wish me luck, because I'm gonna need it. Okay guys, future Ashley here. I think this illustrates my anxiety really well. I went in with my IKEA bag, but I realized with the sign on the door that you're not actually supposed to bring in any large bags or backpacks. So I go in looking for a shopping cart and there are literally none. Like, I wandered all around. People had claimed multiple carts, so I decided let's just go and see what I can hold with my arms, but I was starting to get really panicked. Found these Altra sneakers that sell really well, wanted to grab them, but again, I had no cart and no bag and nothing to hold on to. So I decided to go back outside and look to see if there are any shopping carts out in the parking lot. Nope, no shopping carts anywhere, all claimed. It was a Saturday, so totally my bad for going on a busy day. So being the people pleaser that I am, I didn't want anyone to get mad at me. So I went back inside and thought, well, I guess I'll just have to hold everything. But then I started to panic, realizing there's just no way that I can hold everything that I'm hoping to get today. Guys, my anxiety, seriously, I was like spiraling. Found this Eddie Bauer pullover that I wanted to keep. So I wrapped the Altra sneakers inside this little pullover here. And I just decided, screw it, I'm gonna go out and get the IKEA bag because this is absolutely ridiculous. So like the moron that I am, I go back outside, 3rd time, grab the bag, go inside, and I figure if anyone gets mad at me, I can just say, hey, there literally are no shopping carts. So welcome to my brain. It is not a fun place. Resale is an activewear brand sold at Nordstrom, so pretty easy pickup. I figure even if it doesn't sell, I can keep it for me. No idea what this brand was, but it was new with tags. Kind of cool. Crazy that new with tag things do end up at the Goodwill Outlet all the time. Definitely recognized that logo right away. Into my bag it went. Was in kind of pilly condition, but I figured I knew I could take a sweater shaver to it and get those pills off pretty easily, so still picked it up. Beyond Yoga, a great brand to resell. These are really high-end leggings, super soft, minimal wear, easy pickup. Here we've got an Athleta sweater. It's got like a faux wrap crisscross pattern on it. Picked it up. And this is the moment my soul left my body. I was like, is this real? This can't be happening. Excuse me, what is going on? Because this bin had been gone over multiple times. Many people had gone through it, and yet here she was, a beautiful Celine vintage skirt, probably or from around the 70s or 80s. Crazy fine, and it felt authentic. It felt in beautiful condition. So just like that, my Chick-fil-A goal was met. That is the most important thing, right? And I'm sorry, just too adorable. Had to get it for little Crewy. In fact, I could probably get all my kids a new wardrobe here. I was tempted to pick up these Tahari pants, but Tahari just takes forever to sell for me, even though the retail price is really high. Definitely a pass, along with this Pokemon shirt. If it was vintage maybe, but it was like a reprint from just a few years ago. Spider's a good brand, and this was in really good condition, but like you can see there's some custom embroidery on it. And you can see me checking out the back to see if this is easy to remove, and it wasn't, so it was a pass. And here we have a Patagonia tank. So 2 things off my little checklist, although this is a very basic tank, so I do not expect to sell this for more than $10, but still had to keep it on principle. This is a White House Black Market dress, brand new with tags. So even though I don't sell this brand super often, new with tags, I just had to pick up. I had never heard of Fox denim before, but these were really like heavy duty, really well made. So I looked up comps and they seemed to fetch around 25 to 30 on eBay. So I picked it up. I took a small risk, but again, you're paying by the pound here, so small risks are definitely totally fine to take. So this dress felt like silk. So I looked at the brand, hadn't heard of it, J. McNaughton. The interior tag confirmed it was 100% silk, and it was a really pretty dress. And I looked up some comps on my phone. Comps looked really promising, so easy pickup. And again, by the pound, I probably paid like 50 cents for this. Love finding these. These are Levi's silver tab jeans. Kind of vintage and retro, always sell really, really quick and really well for me. Travis Matthew is a golf brand, super easy pickup. I love finding this brand, it always sells really fast. Felt the material, got excited, and I started sniffing around for the logo, and sure enough, the logo confirmed it. This is Lululemon. So easy pickup. There are 0 flaws on this. It looks to be in beautiful condition. Tempted to just even keep it for myself. Another pretty cool Patagonia dress. It's got like a geometric graphic print on it, size large. I've sold dresses from Patagonia in the past. They sell decently well. I did not pick this up, but now I'm kind of wishing I did for one of my viewers, one of you guys. If you had wanted it, I would have totally sent it to you. Another Patagonia find. This is the Capeline. It's a stretch top. Again, don't think I can sell it for a ton of money, but on principle, I had to pick it up. That was an adventure. I'm exhausted. My back hurts. I was there for about 3.5 hours. I'm really excited about the Celine skirt. I want to do more research on that at home. The Lululemon, of course. So I'm gonna head home. Let's figure out what this will all sell for. I don't know why, but I'm suddenly feeling like I don't actually deserve Chick-fil-A. Like it was fine, but I don't know if it was like awesome. I don't know. It depends on that Celine skirt. If that warrants Chick-fil-A, so be it. You know what time it is. I know it seems like I go to Chick-fil-A all the time, but I've actually only been going to Chick-fil-A with these challenges I've done with all of you. So I think I'm making these challenges too easy on myself because I end up getting Chick-fil-A every time. So I'm gonna make them a little bit harder. But after I finish my delicious sandwich, I'm going to unload all the stuff that I got, steam and wash what I can. I'll probably steam the Celine skirt, wash the rest. I do wash everything from the bins for sure, and do a little download of what everything was, what I think it can sell for, and what I spent.
We all love Ashley's thrift challenges, and we all win.
Yep, indeed. All right, TJ and crew are gonna help me add up what I think all of these things will sell for.
By popular demand.
Popular demand, we need TJ's commentary in our lives. All right, so first we have this is that 1 September blouse. I actually might have picked this up after my GoPro died. Died at the very end. I think this will sell for like 25.
So you already broke even?
Yeah, because this
At the
whole bag,
bins?
this whole bag cost $27.
I was really hoping you were
So-
gonna break even.
I think with the first item I'll have broken even. I do see this listed for like 38 on Mercari and a couple other places, but I don't think it'll actually sell for that. I think 25 to 30 is probably a little bit more realistic. This was that Patagonia halter dress. Oh man, someone sold this for just $7.99 plus $10 shipping, but that was auction.
Yeah, but did theirs have bed bugs with it?
These don't have bed bugs. Okay, this was a brand I hadn't heard of before, and this was called J. McLaughlin. It was 100% silk, and that's what drew me to it. Okay, so this is actually closer to 40.
Ooh.
Yeah, I'm seeing comps around $40,
Okay.
and that even sound like over 100, but I think those are new with tags.
Free people.
No,
Right?
let me show you the.
Is it not?
Let me show you the logo.
I know it. Hold on. It's not Patagonia. I always call that Patagonia.
You do always call it.
It's I know what it is. Hold on, I know what it is.
Are you joking?
No, I know what it is.
Are you joking right now?
I'm not joking. It's the girl's head that everyone says is not a girl's head, but it's the girl's head. It starts with a P, right? No? Wait, I'm forgetting.
Are you serious?
I need multiple choice. Lululemon. I knew that. I knew it was Lululemon. I knew it. Okay, sorry.
Okay, but this is a really cool Lululemon top. Open back, like a pleated detail in the back. Way cool.
How do you know it's recording?
It's red dot.
Oh, okay.
Or making moves. It could be the making moves long sleeve. I'm seeing both. I don't know. Lululemon has like a billion different style names. It's hard to keep track. I think 40 to 50 for this.
Okay, I'll say 40.
This is a Lucky Brand floral embroidered crew neck sweater. I can sell this for like 15 to 20.
Huh.
These are some Zara embroidered white jeans.
Find it?
Yeah, I think these will sell for like 20, 25 bucks. These are some Levi's silver tab, and these are different than just the regular Levi's. They sell for more.
All the cool kids.
You can also see it with the silver tab here.
All the cool kids had silver tab
Do you remember that?
in the 90s.
So yeah, you can see comps are like 40.
Ooh.
One's for 50, but yeah, probably 30 to 40 maybe for these. They're in really good condition, honestly. So yeah, these are some Beyond Yoga heather leggings, and I like selling Beyond Yoga. It's a nice activewear brand. I should be able to sell these for around $30. So I've got some Nike dry fit leggings, but I'm just seeing that they have a hole in them. So what I'll do is I'll stitch this up and sell it as defective. Dang it. But I still think I'll still be able to sell it for like $10. These are just full length black leggings, and I think $10 will be good. Again, it has a defect, I'll sew it up, but 10, maybe 15.
Okay.
Come on, Ash.
We'll go 10.
Ash, you are so dumb. This is an Eddie Bauer pullover. It has like the nylon material at the top, which I thought was cool, and then, yeah, I think I can sell this for around 25.
Nice.
25 bucks.
All right.
These will require some cleanup, but these are some Altra shoes, which are really good. These are the Altra Valley, V-A-L-I, running shoes. I see some pre-owned comps around $40. So these have definitely seen better days. I still think I can sell them for like $20. I'm gonna get them cleaned up, obviously like washed, and use a sweater shaver on some of the pilled parts, but full length, which is a really good sign. We love that. They're reversible. Yeah, I think around 20, 25. Okay, this is called the crisscross sweatshirt. Yeah, I think I could sell this for like $20. Pretty easily.
Cool.
This is another Athleta. It's just like a fitted turtleneck. Should sell for like same, like around $15. This is a White House black market dress. It is brand new with tags. So I was like, I want to just pick it up for that reason. Okay, so I think I can sell this for like 25, maybe 20. But yeah, it was brand new. This is a Travis Matthew polo. I have sold this brand many times. I love selling it. Pre-owned, easy 20, 25 bucks. So you can put 20, just to be safe. This like I might keep for me, like if it doesn't sell, but it's a Zella full zip fitted jacket, which I thought was really cool. Let's see. Yeah, again, I like it and I might keep it for me. And it's like seamless too, which is really good. Yeah, I think I can sell this for around $30 if I don't keep it myself, because I think it's cute and it would be really handy for winter. Another Patagonia. But it's not.
Oh, it's kids.
This is gonna sell. Is it? I don't know if it's kids. It's size small. I don't think I'll be able to sell this for more than like $15. But again, it fulfilled the oath. I bought this for Crew. Look at it.
Cute.
Look at the little overalls.
Some overalls.
I couldn't help it. So cute. This is the big one, Teach. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
This is the big win of the day.
Looks like a tablecloth.
It's not a tablecloth.
Okay, it's not a tablecloth.
It is. Does this brand sound familiar?
Celine Dion.
Celine
Paris.
Not Dion. I believe this is authentic because it feels extremely nice. It has these super heavy metal buttons on the front that also say Celine Sport on it. And Celine is a very expensive
brand.
brand.
Paris, so.
Yeah, very expensive.
You know
this looks
it's good.
Vintage. I think it's vintage. So this is the kind of brand where you would probably send it to the RealReal, because on the RealReal, comps are like 225 to 250.
Whoa.
However, I could send it to the RealReal. I'm debating if I should send it to the RealReal or sell it myself on eBay. But yeah, I think I could get at least $200 for this.
Wow. That's awesome.
Yeah, exciting, right? Yeah, so what's the grand total?
Okay, $730.
Ooh, wow.
So
that's a lot.
Off of a $27 investment?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
I mean, even if you only sell half of
Dang,
it.
Even if I only sell half, that's really good.
That was really good.
You know, the bins is a lot of work, but shout out to return on investment, because that's crazy.
How long were you there for?
I think I was there for like 3.5 hours.
Just digging the whole time.
Digging, my back hurt.
Definitely work.
It is fun though when you pull out something like this.
Yeah.
And you're like, oh my gosh, this is worth a lot of good money. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I appreciate you. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more content all about building your business on eBay. Thanks again, you guys. Take care, and I will catch you next time.